Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video, I'm going to show you a quick way to make fresh green plantain fufu. It requires no pounding at all. So please relax, sit back and enjoy the video. To make our green plantain fufu, the first thing we need and the only thing actually we need is green plantain. Here I'll be making use of these three large green plantains, also called unripe plantains. Those three plantains here is 3 servings. So one is okay for one person. Wash the plantain properly and peel off the skin. After that, go ahead and cut the plantains into small sizes. This is to help your blender to blend it properly. Next, transfer into a blender and pour in 1.5 cups of water and blend. While blending, you may need to stir it around just to help everything blend properly. After blending, this is how it should look. This is the consistency. This is the perfect consistency. Now transfer it into a pot and start stirring on low to medium heat. When you are stirring, there's a point you will get to, it will feel like it is about to form lumps. Don't worry about that, just keep on stirring. Everything is going to turn out well. This was after about 8 to 9 minutes of turning this fufu. This is how it looks now and it is ready. So one thing now is to wrap this up in a film wrap and give it some minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes to solidify before you start enjoying it with any soup of your choice. If you start eating this right away, it will still be so soft, but just wrap it up and give it some minutes and this is how it will be after. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you check out my other fufu recipes. I have videos on how to make cassava fufu, how to make oatmeal fufu and all of that. I also have videos on different soup recipes. Make sure you check out those videos. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.